Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be tackling the spare bedroom and getting it nice and ready for some guests that we had coming over that week. But first things first, let's get to cleaning.
With the others, all we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me.
The majority of the stuff that is in this room is mainly things that we haven't unpacked, and a lot, and I mean a lot, of Christmas decorations. So later on in this video you will see me going through those and just organising things into different boxes and repacking them up so they're better stored.
Than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. My, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my.
And that was the last box. So now that we've got the whole room cleared out, it's time to vacuum up the area and get to setting up the bed.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it gets.
So this bed is from Fantastic Furniture. I can't quite remember the name of it, but I'll have it linked down below if you're interested. It's just a double size bed that we picked up about a year ago when we first redid our son's big boy room back when we were living in our rental. But it also doubled as a guest bed back then. However, we didn't end up having anybody stay in it, so it's been a bit dirty and we just had to give it a good clean down while we were putting it together.
Never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. In my bed all alone, never know when you're home. I get unstable.
So in this video we never bought anything for our spare room in terms of the main furniture and decor, I suppose, for this room. The only thing that we purchased was the mattress itself and a mattress topper. Everything that we used here we already had. It was used in other rooms, or we've had it in storage from when we moved, but these side tables were from Big W a really long time ago. They had been used in our master bedroom for the majority of their life, and this lamp here is from Big W also. And the spray that I'm using here just to clean everything down is from Aldi.
I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. In my bed all alone, never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. In my bed all alone, never know when you're home. I get unstable, I get unstable.
And of course, whenever you buy a new mattress, you have to product test it. That is key. It's an essential part of buying a new mattress. So this is product test 1. And our little man Triggy had to come and product test it as well. Look at him, he's so cute.
I get unstable, I get unstable.
Then of course we had to product test the mattress topper, and it made the world of difference. This was a cheaper mattress from Fantastic Furniture, and the mattress topper was also from Fantastic Furniture, but it was essential and it made the mattress so much more comfortable.
Gone and lost your hold on me. I don't believe have me acting like a fool to know you.
Now it is on to reorganizing all of the Christmas decorations and packing them up until later this year when it's Christmas time again.
A whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting for your darling a zero. No hint of a hero. Now you're selling me your stories, but I don't believe you. Every now and then you lose in life. What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe you will learn
My
what it's
favorite part is to make the bed, and we are done. This is just a reminder of what it looked like before and how far the room has come. And the after. I am in love with this room. I'm so happy with the blues. It just makes a calming feel to the area, and the only thing we've got left to do later is to add some curtains. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video.
stories, but I don't